Thursdays, December 19th, and I'm muzzleoader hunting today in northern Harford County, Maryland. Alright, well there's the first problem of the day. I got up in the tree and went to put my camera arm up, and the tree was like almost too big around. But I got the belt around, and the back for the stand is up really high because it's a gorgeously comfortable stand. So I have to stand up and do everything. And I had the camera arm on the tree, and I was doing my opening interview and getting the camera arm squared away, and it apparently wasn't lodged onto the tree and leveled right because I had to swing the camera arm all the way around the other side and started going down the hill. Well, by the time I finally got that figured out, the deer was 15 yards behind brush, and it stopped and was looking up at me, wondering what I was. It looked like a yearling deer. It didn't bust me. It just kind of stopped and tried to catch my wind, stared down at me for like a few minutes, and then meandered away. So hopefully we have better luck next time with the deer coming in and getting them done. Here we are in a butcher shop. Got her done today. Real tough filming today. And the first deer he came in when I didn't even have my my camera leveled correctly, and that was tough, man. Getting the camera to stay still, and the deer stopped just before it came into the lane and didn't like something and stared and just kind of turned around, didn't know what was up, and kind of meandered away. And so then we had another deer come from above, and that's actually this deer right here. And it was browsing through, and as that was happening, I had another deer coming in from below me, and that deer actually got right up underneath of the stand, and I went to go around the shooting rail to shoot this deer right under the tree, and it didn't work because the deer sensed some kind of movement, didn't really see what it was, I don't think, and just kind of, it startled it. And so this deer was looking at the other deer that had just kind of startled, and whipped the camera around, whipped the gun around, was able to get on it and shot her. So we're taking does off of this property. I know she's small, but there were some ag fields taken out, which is a big food source for these deer, and that means that these deer aren't going to have as much to eat in the wintertime, and so we got to keep the does down in order to keep enough browse in the woods for these deer. So like, subscribe to the video if you want to see more. You've watched Adrenalized Outdoor Productions. I'm Kevin, and thanks for watching.